What is up, tube, and welcome back to another tutorial by Big Al's Barber channel. What we're going to do on this young gentleman right here is we're going to do a zero fade comb back, and then we're going to do a beard trim, guys. Quickly, we're going to start off here with our Babless Gold, not Gold FX. This is a special edition. This is a Patty Cuts edition. So basically, I'm just zeroing this out, creating my first guideline. Just going all the way around the head, guys. This machine just cuts like butter, as you could tell. Just going all the way around, creating my first guideline, zeroing it all out. Once I zero it out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my shaver, which I use a Bronze Series 9, and then I'm gonna shave it all up and get it all nice and smooth. It's just easier way. This is my easiest way, fastest way of fading, guys. I do all my fades the same way. To me, fading is just repetitious, guys. Same steps over and over and over. As you can see, I just bring it all up, just nice and straight to the top. Get it nice and shaved out. Get it nice and smooth. Get your canvas nice and clean, guys. So, just going all the way around the ear and everything. Getting it nice and tight. Now we're going to come up with a number 4. Number 4, and all I'm doing is just creating, leveling out the sides. Anything that sticks out, I just took it all off right there. Now I put my number 1 guard lever open on my Gamma Ergo, X Ergo, and I'm just gonna go up and create a guideline. As you can see, just go up and create that guideline right there. You gotta move quickly when you're doing these fades, guys. Technically, all my spots on my book are 30 minutes, so we're done with all my haircuts in 30 minutes, guys. Next step is to do some clipper over comb that side right there. Just clipper over comb. Just get it nice and even, guys. You guys already know the routine. Pick it all out, pull it out. I'm gonna have to do a little segment on just clipper over comb. So right here I have the lever open, which is a half, going across, creating a guideline. Close it 1 click, pushing it up to the same guide again. See, I have a little shadow guideline right there. Now I'm just closing my lever, pushing that bottom line all the way up. I'm going to grab my trimmer right now, and then I'm just going to push that bottom line up, just hurrying it up a little bit right there. So now I'm going to grab my trimmer, Babless, and just push that bottom shadow up so there's nothing there. Now I'm going to grab my half clip lever open, and I'm going to go across that guideline that I created with the first half. It's all the same steps, guys. Same steps over and over. I'm going to lower my lever at 1 click, and I'm just going to continue working on that center shadow right there, trying to blend it all out, guys. Just getting it all nice and even, nice and faded up. Moved on to the other side. Again, I got my number 4 clip on there. Just level off my field. Then I go with my 1 clip lever open. We're moving fast right here, guys. Lever open. After that, I go in there and I do a little bit of clipper over comb, just clean it all up, guys. You know, you guys already know fading is all repetitious, guys. Repetitious. If once you learn how to do all these steps, it'll be all common sense to you. Here we go with a lever open, which is a half. I'm gonna go up and create a guideline. Lower my lever 1 click, and I'm gonna go back up to the same spot again, just pushing it up. Pushing that bottom shadow up. Now I'm going to lower another click on the lever, and I'm going to push that shadow to the center, close it up. Now I got my half clip on there, and I'm fading out that center line, guys. Guys, I'm moving along really fast on here, and I'm kind of just explaining it to you more or less, but more the sense that you guys are getting the feel of what a fade is like and what it's like to work in a barbershop on a constant basis every single day. This is on Christmas Day right here, so it was super busy that day. I was fully booked. I mean, it doesn't show like we're busy in the shop, but we're busy because I was booked up today. So right here, I'm just going to add some water. We're going to level out the top, guys. He just combs it back on top, so we're just pulling the hair out, pushing it out. And then what I'm going to go in there, and I'm just going to go up, pull out the first set of hair, and just follow it all the way back. Taking off maybe a 1/4 inch on the top, not too much. His hair is kind of curly, so it's not really like laying back, so it's kind of like a curl on top. So we're just kind of leveling it out, make sure that it's nice and even. I do the 4 sections on the top. I'll go down the middle side, and then the other side, and then the other middle. And then what I'm doing right here is I'm going to turn around. I'm going to end up crisscross crisscross from side to side also, so that way I can see anything that I miss going from front to forward, from front to back. Moving along quickly, you can see the fades looking real tight right there. Then we'll do a little clipper over comb right here, getting everything nice and even. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that face. Oh, caught myself looking. Yeah, that's what I call the concentration face right there, guys. That's what I'm concentrating. So now I'm just gonna do a quick beard trim. He didn't really want to take anything off the beard, so all he wanted to really do was just line it up. So I'm gonna grab my Babyliss right here, push down that first line, create at the sides, just get it nice and even. It's nothing fancy, nothing more. He actually likes the rugged look, so he kind of just wanted me to shape it all out. Maybe take off the hair off the cheek right there. He doesn't like a mustache, so I took off the mustache. Coming to the other side now. Again, just making them look good, guys. This is just a regular basic haircut. This is a basic haircut that most people are going to come to you and get. You know, it's just a quick touch up, clean up right there. Just getting with my Bronze Series 9, shaving under his beard, getting it nice and cleaned up. Now what I'm going to do right here is take off the mustache. So he doesn't use a mustache. He doesn't like a mustache, so we take off the mustache completely. Then I clean up his cheeks right there. Again, just cleaning them all up, making them like nice and clean, guys. This is what it is. This is what it's like, guys. And every day at the barbershop, repetitious haircuts. Right there, I'm just going to fade out a sideburn so it fades right into his beard. Oh, it all blends in, guys. But pretty much, guys, this haircut's already done. This is what I do right here, guys. This is on a daily basis, every single day. Once you get into a system of cutting hair, figure out what your system of cutting hair, and you follow it every day and go with it. And that's how you move along, guys. I'm using my trimmer right there. Just make sure I don't have a bottom line right there. Going back up with my Bronze Series 9, because all my fades I shave out, guys. I leave them nice and crisp. You have to leave that you have to fade it out. Not only fade it out, you have to make sure that you take off all the hair on the bottom so that it's nice and tight. That's how you get that really tight fade. The detail work at the end is what creates that look, and you know, get that customer retention where the clients are going to continue to come back to you, and at the end of the day, that's the name of the game, guys. Customer retention, getting those clients to return to you. This is one of my regulars, so he already knows. After every haircut, I'm going to do this little detail spot right here and clean up the neck, make sure that I don't leave nothing. I always clean up below the hair, below the shirt line, make sure that there's no hair on the neck or the back right there. Just going again with the Bronze Series 9. You can see the Bronze Series 9 just leaves it super tight on the sides. Give them a nice spritz of alcohol right here, and that is it. Guys, again, thank you for watching Big Al's Barber Channel. We are here to help you get better at barbering. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.